Here I have Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the apps and notifications, then go to the advanced, special app access, install unknown apps. Here you can see the whole list of apps through which you can install from the unknown apps. Let's select, for example, Google Chrome. And as you can see, I already have allowed from this source. You can allow from the Google Drive, for example, and Gmail, and files too. And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.